Why private tuition is important in Singapore. Welcome to this video which talks about why private tuition is important. Our Tuition Domain channel covers private tuition news and information in Singapore. This video shows why there has been an increase in the need for private tuition in Singapore throughout the years. Singapore is well known for its world-class educational standards, and pupils are expected to excel in their studies. As a result, it is highly popular for parents to consider hiring private tutors in Singapore. As a child grows older, it becomes increasingly difficult to resist private tuition as the level of schooling becomes more complex and competitive. After checking the grades obtained by children, most Singapore parents consider private tuitions. Grades are very important in Singapore because they not only help you get better courses but also a better job. So, if you're wondering, are tuitions important? The answer is, well, surprising. Reasons why you, too, should think about private tutoring. Number 1, individual attention. Have you ever wondered why some kids do better in school than others despite the very same teacher teaching the same class? Classes are designed in such a way that the majority of students benefit, rather than on the basis of individual students' learning skills. To remain competitive in the class, the student is required to adapt to that standardized method of classroom teaching. But, with the growing complexity of studies and the ever-expanding subjects, it becomes increasingly difficult to adapt to all classes. And the class or the teacher will not wait until a specific child adapts and completely grasps the concepts. This is when Singapore private teachers come in. Unlike in school, where you cannot choose the teaching style, you can choose the teacher and the time that suits you. This allows for maximum flexibility and comfort, which is why private teachers are so popular and effective. In school, teachers may not be able to devote constant attention to every student, and students may be shy or afraid to ask questions, limiting learning. However, with private tutoring, the youngster is given complete freedom to ask questions, no matter how trivial or unrelated they may seem. The tutor will explain the concepts in a style that your child understands best, which is unique in private tuition. Number 2, private tutors that make studying enjoyable. It is also critical to remember that tuition should not cause stress or add to the student's stress. Students already have enough stress from school, and private tutors should not be an added burden. It is critical to remember that tuitions must support long-term learning rather than instill in students the desire to outperform their peers in terms of grades. Always choose teachers that make studies enjoyable and relatable, and who ensure that your child enjoys learning. So, what are your thoughts on private tuition? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest private tuition news. If you are seeking the right private home tutor for your child, you may visit us at tuitiondomain.com.